Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by eliminating the obvious bottlenecks. Check your ISP status and router lights to confirm a link. Once done, power cycle the modem and router, turn off for 30 seconds, then power on and wait until all lights stabilize. This clears transient routing issues. Next, shut down background bandwidth hogs like cloud sync, downloads, or streaming apps so Valorant gets priority. Doing these steps reduces packet loss and latency spikes immediately and sets the stage for more targeted fixes. Now you optimize the device and path to Valorant servers. First, plug into Ethernet or use a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection with strong signal strength. Wireless interference causes jitter. Then flush DNS and renew your IP to remove stale routes. Run ipconfig/flushtons, then /release and /renew. Change your DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8, 8, 8 if your ISP DNS is slow, and disable VPNs or proxies that add. Finish by tuning the game and diagnosing remaining faults. Repair Valorant via the Riot client to fix corrupted files, and update Vanguard anti-cheat. Outdated drivers or client files can cause disconnects. Reduce background CPU and disk I/O by closing apps, and if needed, set Valorant to high priority in Task Manager to prevent hiccups. If problems persist, run Tracer to the game server to spot packet loss or high latency hops. Note the results and escalate to your ISP with that evidence for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.